In this video, we're going to show you how you can reinstall audio drivers here in Windows 11. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, before reinstalling your driver, you will need to know your laptop model, your motherboard model, or your audio adapter. If you're unsure which motherboard you have, just click on this little search button down here and type in system information and open up this page. Scroll down till you see the baseboard manufacturer right here, as well as the baseboard product. That's going to be your motherboard model. For example, mine's is Gigabyte Technology 750M. Once you know that, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in your motherboard or laptop model, and then type in audio drivers after that. So this is what mine would look like right here. Go ahead and search that up and go to the official website. You want to make sure you're going to this one instead of just some random one or third-party one, because this is the official one that you want to use. From here, just enter in your product. And after doing so, it's going to take you to an exact file that you can download to set up your audio drivers. Just download it and then run the setup.exe or install.exe. And follow the installation wizard to complete setup. It's just hitting next a few times and hitting finish. Then after that installation, the audio driver should now appear in Device Manager. If it doesn't appear immediately, just restart your PC to finalize everything. But that is literally it. Your audio drivers are now going to be reinstalled on Windows 11. If you're still getting no sound, let me know down in the comments. Your issue might be more specific. I can help you out. But make sure to like the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos just like this. Have a great day. Peace.